What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to talk about how much money do day traders make. Check it out. All right, guys, now we're going to jump into this video here. And, one of the things that I notice a lot of is new traders on Twitter being overly impressed by day traders claiming they're making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars in a single day. All right. And day trading wise, it is hard for me to believe that is possible scalping penny stocks. Extremely difficult for me to believe that's possible scalping penny stocks. Okay, and that's what these new traders are impressed by when they go on Twitter and they see this. Sure, that can be done easily on a paper trading account, on a simulator. Yes, absolutely, all day long. But in the real world, do I see that as something that's possible on penny stocks that are low floats and low on volume? I don't think so. But that's neither here nor there. The point of it is, what is the amount of money day traders make? Now that's gonna vary. It's gonna vary depending on the trader's risk tolerance and their risk reward parameters. Okay, it could be a few $100,000 a year. Easily, I can see that possibly happening. I can even see a few $1 million a year happening. A year, not a day. Not a day. Now, a swing trading, that's a completely different animal. We're not talking about swing trading. We're not talking about swing trading some options on high risk or swing trading, some bigger size on some other stocks. We're talking about day trading low flow penny stocks. I don't believe that's very possible or very likely. Okay, a very likely scenario that we keep seeing on Twitter, that we've seen over the last year or so. And then we see all these new traders flock to that. Now, I've known traders, okay, talking about people who swing trade and day trade. I've known traders that make over $1 million a year. I've known them, okay? They make over $1 million a year. And I've seen traders, all right, that make, $70,000, $60,000 a year, okay? That's really good money. Now, when I was new to trading, okay, when I didn't understand the complexities of trading, I would see these guys that were making $50,000, $60,000 a year, $70,000 a year day trading, and I would be like, "What are you doing? Why aren't you making that in a day like some of these other traders?" I was brand new to trading at the time, and I thought, the Lambos and the $100,000 days were like normal, right? Like, oh yeah, that's what it is. No, it's really not. That's not really what it is. Like, that's not really what it really boils down to, right? When you see a consistently profitable trader that's making $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a year, that's impressive. When you see a consistently profitable trader that makes $20,000 in a year, that's impressive. When you see a consistently profitable trader, as a new trader, you should be impressed, because most people who take on this endeavor never make it to becoming consistently profitable. So what I would like for new traders to kind of like wrap their brains around is to not be influenced by Twitter, by stock tweets, by Reddit, thinking that those daily gains are normal, or thinking that those daily gains are average and happen often, right? I wouldn't want a new trader to step into the arena thinking, maybe they have some money and they're like, oh, I'm going to open an account with 50,000 bucks. I'm going to turn that into $1 million inside a year. I mean, if you were into swing trading and last year you bought the bottom of a bunch of stocks, then yeah, you probably would have turned a big, hefty profit. But no, that's not the norm. Last year was an abnormal market. We had that huge crash followed by a giant V-shaped recovery. Okay, so you got to understand that that's not the norm. The trading that you see now, when you see difficult, choppy, day after day after day, or week after week after week for an extended period of time, and you see these traders bleeding money, right? This is the market, cyclical. Hot, cold, lukewarm, hot, cold, lukewarm, hot, cold, lukewarm, okay? And those of us who know how to trade, we are able to manage our risk throughout that whole process. And when it's cold, we're able to manage our risk, minimize our losses. When it's hot, we're able to make extra money. When it's lukewarm, we're just there banging out trades, making money, right? So curving your expectations as a new trader on what is realistic and what is not is very, very important. I teach these things almost every single day live in the daytraderchatroom.com. Check out the link in the description and comment section. Come join us. You can trade with us free on Mondays, or even join us for 5 days for just $5 to test drive the entire system. You'll have access to courses, video lesson library, resources. Guys, the dashboard, when you become a full-time member, you're going to have access to all my courses. We're just coming out with a swing trading course right now. You're going to have access to all my old courses. You're going to have access to all the courses moving forward. You have access to resources. You have access to an extensive video lesson library that we add videos to every single week, and the live trading. So make sure you check that out, right? I always tell new traders, your first year training in a simulator, first of all, your first year should be in a simulator. But that's my opinion. And it should be seeking out consistency as you fine-tune the strategies and learn. Once you're profitable in a simulator, right, then one can consider moving on to live money trading, in which, in my opinion, the first year, the only concern should be very minimal loss or even a break even. If your first year trading live money is a break even year, you should pat yourself on the back, because that is a feat that most people are not able to do. Most new traders will blow up their account their first year. And will blow up multiple accounts if they continue, especially if they don't seek out good education and they try to figure it out in piece, like Frankenstein their own trading strategy. All right? So keep that in mind as a new trader. Now, don't let those outside influences, like if today you were trading and you made $100, right? Or Friday, I don't know what day this video is going to come out. You were trading and you made $100 and you're proud of your trade. You traded your plan accordingly. You should always have a trade plan prior to clicking the buy button or the short or sell button. You should always have a trade plan. And you traded your trade plan to perfection and you made $100 or you made $50. You made $200, whatever it is that you made. Pat yourself on the back. That is a job well done. Don't go on Twitter now and see somebody that you don't even know whether or not they're paper trading saying they made $375,000 or $250,000 or $500,000 or whatever crazy number they said they made today on a day trade of a low flow penny stock. Don't let that influence you and make you feel bad because you only made $100. You don't know whether that person is real or fake, and you might not even know how many years they have trading, right? Don't let those outside influences affect you and your trading, because the reality is profitable traders range from a little bit of money to a little bit of side income to a lot of money. It all comes down to their account size, their experience. Well, let's do it in order. Their experience, their account size, their risk tolerance. Okay? Their risk tolerance. You might have a trader that can spend the next 10 years with a risk tolerance of only a couple $100 per trade. Okay? That is obviously going to mean they will more than likely make a lot less money if they're profitable, a profitable trader with a $200 risk per trade. It's going to make a lot less money than a profitable trader who has a $1,000 per risk per trade. Okay? Because the risk rewards are going to be different. This trader risks $200 to make at least $400. This trader over here is going to risk $1,000 to at least make $2,000. If they both have the same accuracy, say 60%, then obviously this one's going to make more money. Their skill levels are the same, but the amount of money they make is different. You can learn from both of those traders exactly the same, and in fact you can even make more money than both of them if your risk tolerance is different and higher. So you have to remember that. This is something that people don't talk about. They don't talk about this because they don't want you to know the truth. But that's how it works, all right? Let me know what you think about this type of content, because it's something that people don't talk about. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Check out Webull. You download the app, you fund your account with $100, you get 2 free stocks, and you also have trade ideas down there. You can go down there, get my coupon code, get yourself 15% off, as well as this month in May, they're gonna have 2 weeks where you can try out trade ideas for like $8.99, I think it is, and you even have access to their AI. I'll leave you a link for that down there as well. Remember to comment in the comment section below, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted next time I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.